Hey everybody, we have some exciting news. Howard and I are going to be running some first-time home buyer classes, and not necessarily just the first time, but maybe if you need a refresher on how all things home buying gets put together. On the 18th and 19th of this month, that's a Wednesday and Thursday night, we're going to be doing a 2.5-hour Zoom, and we're going to tell all about what it takes to purchase, and it will also classify for the Washington State Housing Finance Commission credit for if you are doing a state bond loan. So if you're doing a state bond loan, you're going to need to take the home buyer class, and that will enable you to do a zero down loan, and you can purchase anywhere in Washington State. It's a pretty nifty program, and whether or not I am your agent, whether or not Howard is your lender, we can help you with that class and give you more information and get you on your merry way. If you are not already in contract to do that and you want to learn more, message me, call me, text me. Let's get you on the schedule for that. And I want to be able to share all things home buying so that you know that our heart is to help all of our people get into homes so that you can start putting your money where your home is and not where your landlord's is. So let's help you there. And I'm super excited. So February 18th and 19th, 5:30 to 8. Let's be there, and let me know you want to join us. If you already have a home, or if you know somebody else who would really benefit from a class like this and from information and a step up, forward this email, send them to link. Go ahead, and if you could watch us on YouTube and you want to subscribe to our channel, we'd love to make sure that you get our updates, and give us a thumbs up down there on the video so that this video can reach more people and help more people and get our name out and the word out. Have a super blessed day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we're so excited to help you and your people with their home needs.